Please don't harm any stray dogs out there. All they want is to be fed and loved. And that's true. Look at this stray dog, ha. Kanang all they want good is to something to eat or something nga na sila mainom silang kauhaw, and all they want good is kanang to be fed and loved. So kani nga stray dog gahapon, na siya fear nga moduol nako, but kato na recognize niya nga dili ko threaten, good girl ko. Ning duol siya, sige na ko water and bread. So nakagain siya trust nako, and look at this one. Bisa ka ng kato bitaw nga naa sa iyang likod. Iya gina siya magpakuha gina siya kato. So na feel niya nga safe ko, dili ko threaten. So please don't harm any stray dogs out there. They are such an innocent kanang bitaw mga ero diha sa kalsada. Luoy kay sila pagala-gala. So kung dili ka hatag like something to eat, so do not harm them.